Okay, so as you just saw, I got this cut out. I found it was a lot easier to use the angle grinder with the carbide bit than trying to hold it by hand. It actually has a really, really good fit, which is exactly what I wanted. I got these little plugs made off. So they're just pieces of aluminum bar stock that's been cut at an angle. They'll be welded in and then ground down to look better. So we got the intake part of it done, the side's done. What I need to address now is this hole. These holes should be small enough that I can weld. I might go ahead and make some plugs for it out of smaller aluminum bar stock. Actually, I'll probably end up doing that. But next thing I need to do is measure this hole, write it down, and get everything cut out. And probably going to get these cut out too. I might have to drill the holes out a little bit to make the bar stock fit. I got smaller bar stock than what's used over here, so that's what's going to be done next. As soon as those 3 items are done, I'll be able to start TIG welding this up. Just to note, this bolt here that I use to secure this piece actually does have a purpose. After everything's TIG welded in, I need to tap it for this, I believe it's 1/8 BSPT or whatever, the British type thread, for my vacuum for my brakes. So that's going to be the one nipple that stays on the side. I was thinking about putting it on the back, but I would rather just keep it somewhat in a stock location. That way everything fits. So I will get that cut out, all set up, and let's get this thing TIG'd up. All right, manifold's here, it's ready to go. Here are all the parts I've got to TIG weld in. I've got the end cap with the 3 plugs that have been cut at an angle. I've got 2 of the 1/4 inch bar stocks cut down and cleaned up, and then a little cap for the cold start injector, and all the stuff to block off the EGR plate. So, gotta get the welder set up and start TIG welding this thing up. And after that, I gotta clean up all the welds, smooth it out a bit, and then we gotta paint it. Okay, all tagged up. There's where the cold start injector used to be. The side of the tank, the 3 holes that used to be there for various fittings, and then EGR. All that stuff has been deleted. This sucker's got to cool down because it's extremely hot. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to start grinding all the metal away, and that way it'll be a nice flat finish. And I actually have the intake right here. I sprayed it with some wrinkle paint. Well, that'll conclude the video for the valve cover and the intake. That whole process is complete. Everything's been painted, so it's on its way to being dry and ready to put on the motor. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you found some of that information useful. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Appreciate whatever you guys do, and I'll see you guys next time.